Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that did not cut it. It was not hot enough. It tasted delicious. It did really tasted good. But that little itty bitty tiny pepper was definitely not hot enough. So now that I know that, it was kind of like this one right here. You know, it still had regular type of shape. It wasn't sucked in type of thing, although you could argue that this one does have like a sucked in part. It's not sucked in like this one. So what we're going to do, and it doesn't have a stinger either. I don't think the one that I had a stinger. What we're going to do is we're going to have this one with a stinger. Let's go with this one right here. You know what? No, I'll just go with the one that I was looking at earlier. This one, I've had my eye on it since I started growing this plant. I accidentally ended the video because I was going to switch the camera onto my face and show you my reaction from the last one, but I pushed stop by accident, and to be honest, it wasn't even that hot, so there was no good reaction shot. There's the stinger, look at that thing. Anyways, so we're going to, again, I always give like a, you know, a cut first. If I'm getting so close here, these scissors are so thin, or so finicky. Oops. There we go. Went down the hole. It's just telling me this one's gonna be hot. Really? It's really... Oh my gosh, what the heck? How am I not able to pick this thing up? It's trying to avoid me. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I think this plant's telling me that it's thirsty. That's what it's telling me. So, I brought the water out. I did. I'm so sorry. I've been playing my silly game here trying to eat this pepper and I haven't watered you. My favorite pepper plant. And I'm not taking care of you properly, I'm sorry. Okay, but, so, I'll go get the water in a second here. I wanted to take you on a tour still. Alright. This one. Small. I think they're just too small to do that much damage. They might be hot to somebody else, but like, it's still hot, but not that hot. Like, I don't think I need the mushroom. I should have eaten them both at the same time. Then I could have got some flavor. Because I was gonna say, I feel like I just chew that one just a couple times. Not enough. You know I'm going to get another pepper. Yeah, they are mild. Oh, the hooks, the clippers are right here on my head. Okay. So the verdict is in. These tiny ones, those are good as tasters for people, I guess. Now I wish I didn't eat them all, but there will be some more on here. Yeah, there's a one down there. This one could be a taster. That could be a taster. Some dark red ones. I'm not gonna eat a huge one because that's crazy. I overdid it one time. I'm not trying to overdo it, I just want to get like a good middle ground, you could say. You know, I don't want one like really mild and then really hot. I want one in the middle, unless I have to do 3, I guess. Excuse me. But really did, oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, what's going on with this camera again? There we go. It's just that angle of the setting. So that's super wrinkly. That's the type of wrinkle that I look for. Alright. Oh. Damn, look at that one. This one looks hot. Same with the one behind it. Those two are OGs. They've been on here a long time. Those ones I'm scared about. I'm really scared to try those. Those little ones that I had were on here a while too, but okay, here, how about this? Oh, that one's pretty good. That one's pretty wrinkly. Is there any that look like the branch needs to go type of thing? Other than those little tiny ones. No, I don't see any. This plant's done so well. Easily the most breathability. Okay. Oh, maybe this one, but that one looks ridiculous. Okay, now I'm in for a treat here. Okay, Shen. Here it comes. Oh yeah. That one's hot. That one's hot. That one's much hotter. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Don't swear. When I say the S word, I feel like someone's stabbing my tongue. Oh, there's my mushroom. With swords. Swords hurt. Intentional karma. Holy fuck. That one's hot next level. I'll start crying in a second. Holy shit. Oh, that feels... I'm breathing fire. I'm just pacing around. Holy shit. I need the milk. I need some milk. I ate a pepper. little too hot. Oh,
Yeah, it's coming. 5 minutes.
okay.
I finished Mandarin. Mandarin forever.
Yes.
She was a happy woman at the end. Daphne Moran, and she had a real.
I know that's gonna kick back in a second. That milk was only temporary. In fact, I try to make this into a mushroom oil. Holy fuck. I feel like I'm blowing fire. Can I do that? So you're allowed to use flash? Oh. I feel like my nose is starting to run. Oh yeah. It is. Oh. Overall, not too bad, I guess. I'm not sure I would do that again right away. Oh, it's coming again. Third wave. Oh, please didn't get on my phone. Definitely got on my face. I can feel it. Oh my god. A wet spot. I don't know if that's from me crying or. Okay, that one. That's the second hottest one I've eaten so far. The first hottest one, ooh. This is still really lingering though. The first hottest just had way more intense linger than this. And, excuse me. I was on the phone with my counselor at the time. And I thought, yeah, I'm gonna show off right now, you know? Well, I didn't think that, but I was outside looking at my plants and my pepper plants and stuff, and I was just so excited and I wanted to share, I guess. And then, you know, that bravado kicked in, like, oh yeah, I can definitely eat a chili pepper type of thing, you know? So I was just like talking about them, and I took one that was maybe about the size of the last one that I just ate. Wrinkly, you know, I think about the same thing, same wrinkliness. It destroyed me. I think I've handled this one much better. You know, I was crying. Had some milk. I still feel fire. I do still feel these like waves, you know, coming in. But I'm handling it a little better. Whereas the last one, I was out for 20 minutes, I want to say, like just big time, super sweating. I feel like I'm sweating this time, but the last time I was gushing. Maybe I thought that's the type of reaction I was going to get from the pepper this time as well, maybe. But it was interesting to see, you know, from the small ones that I was eating there. I had two of those, I guess. To the the medium size one, a bigger size up, it was like whole other levels of exponentially hotter. The little tiny ones were a great little taste, you know, of the experience that your mouth is about to have, I guess you could say. They're really good for eating, to eat a little bit of a pepper but not have to cut into one, I guess you could say. Or for somebody a little less experienced. I wonder how hot it would be for someone like that, because like it's not that I didn't get any waves from those ones, but I definitely did off of the medium size one. I think they would taste pretty good, like mixed into a sauce. So I'm really excited to try a bigger one. And I think I used 3 medium big size ones that were a little fresher, not so wrinkly. I think I used them, and they were not too hot. So I really do want to, you know, I really do want to get them as hot as I possibly can, though. But I forgot my pepper garden in the sunset here. So the red Thai chilies on the outside, the Anaheim here, as I was telling you about. This one's my Armageddon chili. This one right here, yeah, it's obscenely hot. It's a super hot. There's this nice stinger shot there. It's a super hot from the UK. I heard it's the UK's hottest chili. Commercially available chili or something like that. That's what it said on the label there right here. It said on this burpee. Did it say on the burpee one? I thought it said it maybe on the basket or something. Anyways. Yeah, I looked it up. It's extremely hot. I've had some of these so far. There were some that were ripe on here, but I think I left them on too long. I over-ripened them on here, so I got all freaked out a little while ago, and I just cut a bunch off while they were green. And then I did give a couple away, so I'm excited to hear back from them. Those ones had ripened, but this one right here, and this one, it kind of reminded me of Carolina Reapers, especially this one right here. You know, that like body and that stinger there. They're very hot. They're super hot, so you know it's going to be super hot. Now I'm getting back to a comfortable level in my mouth. And then we have, this one's an Aji Rico. It's alright, you know. It's, I've only tried like licking my fingers after I've been cutting some open, so I haven't tried this one yet, but I have dried a bunch of them out, so I'm excited to try that. And besides the Mad Hatter, this one I tried and it was not hot at all. I'm not sure why exactly that is, but well, I guess it's just a really mild strain of chilies. But sorry, chili better angle. Really mild chili pepper, but I think this one's like just above like or below pepperoncini or somewhere around there. So maybe it's because I picked them before they had ripened. I don't know. The plant's also like going super sideways here. It was straight at one point, straight up in the air, but then it got to be too heavy, too top heavy, and I guess the ground couldn't handle it. Maybe I need to pack. I don't think it's a me issue. I think it just toppled over because of the weight of these peppers. It was full before. So, and then when I cut them off, it straightened up a bit, but it's never been the same since. So, last but not least, so this is the vegetable garden here. I had some cabbages here, and it seemed to be like, you know, taking all the resources on this side of the garden, because since then the marigolds have sprouted up, the eggplants started to boom. These 3 chili peppers here, like this one's gigantic, you know, in the back there. That one's my unknown, but I think it's the Aji Rico. This one right here is supposed to be Cajun Belle. It looks really nice. Again, I've only tried just licking my fingers while I've been cutting, so I'm not the best one to judge yet. This one's the sweet heat chili. Again, the same thing as the last one with the taste wise, but they both seem like, I believe they're both very mild peppers anyways, but they both seem like, you know, they might have some good flavor to them. And last but not least, I guess I can show you the unknown / Aji Rico is what I think it is. I feel like there we go. So big it needs a zoomed out view. And then a zoomed in one. Alright, so the Aji Rico. But this one is a red tide chili that has been tiny as hell and not been able to grow at all. Just had major problems, you know, and then I put the cabbages in, and then it definitely didn't want to grow. These damn weeds, this vine right here, this is the reason why they didn't want to grow. But anyways, now it's jumped up quite a bit. I'm pretty impressed, actually. In the past week or two, it's passed the basil in height. So actually in the past week, yeah, so I think it might still give me some peppers. Oh yeah, it will. Look, yeah, it will. It's a late bloomer. All right.